In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 8 computer.
A lot of variations in Windows may have these same steps, but I'm going to show you the step-by-step way to do it. So right here on the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on that start icon, and it'll bring up, and you're going to want to go right there to Control Panel. All right, on Control Panel here, you're going to want to next go to, go click on System and Security. All right, and then from there, you're going to want to click on Backup and Restore. All right, and then it'll take you to this page here. Okay, from here, you're going to go ahead and click on Recover System Settings or your computer. So click on that. It'll take you to this screen here. Next, you're going to want to click on Advanced Recovery Methods. All right, then it'll take you to this screen here, and it says to return your computer to factory condition. That's what you're going to want to click on next. Okay, if you want to back it up, then you would click on that. But where do you want to back up? We want to factory reset it so we can get rid of this computer. So we're going to click on Skip. All right, it's going to prompt you here to restart your computer. So we'll just go ahead and click on Restart. All right, as you can see, your Windows will begin to restart. Okay, next it'll ask you for your keyboard input. You'll just click on Next. Okay, it'll bring up this menu here that'll give you a few different options, but we're going to want to go to that second one there that'll just restore your computer to its original factory settings. Okay, you're going to want to select that second option there. It says Recover without backing up your files, and then click on Next. Now it's going to say Welcome to HP Recovery Manager. And once you detach all the external devices, just go ahead and click on Next. And then you'll see it's reformatting the Windows partition of your hard drive, and it's got a progress bar. Let it do its thing and just wait patiently. Okay, as you can see, my 3 check marks went down, and now it's the progress is at 3% and it's at 24 minutes. So depending on every computer, it might be a little different, but you'll just have to be patient and wait for it to restore itself to factory settings. Okay, and after it goes through its whole percentage, it'll say recovery is complete. And then what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom and just click on Finish. Okay, a prompt will come up that says Setup is preparing for your computer for first use. Okay, and there you go. Now it's all ready to set up for the next user as if it's like a brand new computer.